Good morning, children. Welcome to BBPS e-learning classes. In previous video, we have finished exercise 2B. Today I am going to start exercise 2C. Question number 1. Find the estimated sum of the following numbers. Round off to the nearest 10. Part A of question 1, 172 plus 80. Actual sum जैसे आप ऐड करते हैं 2 + 0 2 7 8 15 वी राइट 5 1 कैरी टू द 100 प्लेस 1 1 2 एस्टिमेटेड सम 172 एस्टिमेटेड नियरेस्ट टू टेंस 172 we mark arrow on the tens place 7 and see the ones place according to rule 1 2 3 4 taken 0, so 2 will be 0 and 7 10 ja 70, 70 plus 0 70, 170, so we will write 170. 80 we mark arrow on the tens place and see the ones place, it is already written 0, so it will be 0. 80, so we will write here 80. 0 plus 0 0 7 8 15 we write 5 under the ones column and 1 carry to the 100 place 1 1 2. B part of question 1, 48 plus 1270 actual sum 0 plus 8 8 7 4 11 we write 1 carry 1 to the 100 place 1 2 3 1. Estimated sum 1270 nearest to tens we mark arrow on tens place, see the ones place 0, so it will be 0 1 2 7 0, so we will write 1 2 7 0. 48 mark arrow 10th place on 10th place, see the ones place 5 6 7 8 9 taken 10, 5 6 7 8 9 according to rule taken 10, 4 10 ja 40, 40 plus 10 50, so we will write 50. 0 0 0 7 5 12 we write 2 and 1 carry to the 100 place 1 2 3 1. C part 2134 plus 5100 actual sum 4 plus 0 4 3 plus 0 3 1 1 2 2 5 7. 2134 we mark arrow on 10th place and see the ones place 1 2 3 4 taken 0, so 2 1 3 10 ja 30, 30 plus 0 30, so we will write here 2130 and second addend 5100, it is already written as 0 0, so the estimated sum 5100, so the second addend 5100 0 0 0 3 0 3 1 1 2 2 5 7. Round off to the nearest 100. D part of 1 540 plus 368 actual sum 0 8 8 4 6 10 we write 0 and 1 carry to the 100 place 1 5 6 639. 540. 540. Sorry, we mark arrow on the 100 place because question rounded up to the nearest 100. And see the right of arrow. Right of arrow, this is 40. 40 1 1 to 49 will be 0. 1 से लेकर 49 तक 0 लेना है. एंड 50 टू 99, 50 से लेकर 90 तक 100 लेना है. सो 40 is according to rule it taken as 0. So 500 100 5 ja 500 plus 0, 40 will be 0. 500 plus 0, 500. So we will write here 500. 368. 368, we mark arrow on the 100 place and see the after this is 68. 68 1 से लेकर 49 आपको 0 लेना है और 50 से लेकर 99 आपको 100 लेना है. So the 68 will be 100. 100 3 ja 300 and 68 will be 100. 300 plus 100 400. So we will write here 400 and we will add 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 549 549. E part 1756 plus 2783. Actual sum 639 58 13. We write 3 and 1 carry to the 100 place. 178 87 15. We write 5 under the hundreds column and 1 carry to the 1000 column. 112 224. 1756. We mark arrow on the 100 place and see the after this this is 56. 50 to 99 taken 100. So 700 plus 100. 700 plus 100 800. So we will write here 1800. Second addend 2783. 2783. We mark arrow on the 100 place and see the after this is 83. 83 50 से लेकर 99 100 आपको लेना है तो it will be 100. 700 800. Sorry, 700 plus 100 800. 2800. So we will write here 2800. 0 0 0 0 0 0 8 8 16. We will write here 6 and 1 carry to the 1000 place. 112 224. F part 7815 plus 8055. Actual sum 5510. 0 1 carry to the 10th place. 112 257 808 7815. estimated sum estimated sum 7815. We mark arrow on the 100 place and see after this 15 1 से लेकर 49 तक जीरो होता है. सो 7 800 8 जा 800 plus 0 800. So we will write here 7800. Second addend 8055. 8055. We mark arrow on the 100 place. 0. See after this 55. 50 से लेकर 99 तक 100 होता है. 100 plus 0 100. 100 plus 0 100. So the estimated sum 8100. So we will write here 8100. 0 0 0 0 0 0 819 78 15. So the estimated sum 15,900. Round off to the nearest 1000. G part 5187 plus 11,543. Actual sum 7 3 7 3 7 3 10. 0 we write 0 here and 1 carry to the tens place 18994. We will write 3 and 1 carry to the 100 place 112 257 516 1. 16,730. Estimated 5,187. Nearest to 1000 place. So we mark arrow on the 1000 place and see after this. This is 187. 1 से लेकर 499 तक जीरो लेना है और 500 से 999 तक 1000 लेना है. This is 187. So it will be 0. 5000 plus 0 5000. So we will write here 5000. 1 1 5 4 3. 1 tens 100 1000. We mark arrow on the 1000 place 1 and see after this. arrow के बाद आपको देखना है 543 है. दिस इज 543. 500 से लेकर 999 तक ये क्या होगा 1000. 1000 plus 1000. 1000 plus 1000 2000. So we will write here 12,000. Okay, we will add 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 527 1. So the estimated sum 17,000. H 7,084 plus 5,999. Actual sum 4913. We will write here 3. 1 carry to the 10th place 18999 18. We will write 8 and 1 carry to the 100th place 101 19 10. We write 0 under the 100th place. 1 carry to the 1000 place 178 85 13. 13,083. Estimated sum 7,084. We mark arrow on the 1000 place and see after this दिस इज 84। 1 से लेकर 499 तक आपको जीरो लेना है, तो इट विल बी जीरो। 7000 प्लस जीरो 7000, so we will write here 7000। 5999, we mark arrow on the thousand place, and see after this is 999। 500 से लेकर 999 तक आपको 1000 लेना है। 5000 प्लस 1000 6000, so we will write here 6000, and we will add 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 7 6 13, so 13,083 will be estimate 13,000। I part 2345 plus 3897, actual sum 5712, we write 2 under 1's column, 1 carry to the 10th column, 1 4 5 5 9 14, we write 4 under 10th column and 1 carry to the 100th column, 1 3 4 4 8 4 8 12, we will write 2 and 1 carry to the 1000 place, 1 2 3 3 3 6, 2345, we mark arrow on the 1000 place, and see after this 345, 1 से लेके 499 तक जीरो आपको लेना है। 2000 प्लस जीरो 2000, so we will write here 2000। 3897, we mark arrow on the 1000 place, and see after this 897, 500 से लेकर 500 से लेकर 999 तक 1000 होता है अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल। 3000 प्लस 1000 4000, so we will write here 4000, and we will add 0 plus 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 2 plus 4 6। Student, today's homework revision test question number 1, add the following numbers horizontally, and the question number 2, add the following numbers vertically. I will send pics of this today's homework revision test question number 1 and question number 2. Okay student, thank you.